Hey, wildlife warriors! Get ready for some of nature's most incredible animal showdowns. These battles show us how amazing animals defend and survive in the wild. At the waterhole, a tank like Rhino meets a sneaky crocodile. While the croc has the strongest bite in nature, our rhino's super thick skin and massive horn make it nearly unstoppable. Watch this clever otter escape from a hungry bear. Like a ninja in water, the otter uses its amazing swimming skills to dodge the powerful bear. Our speedy cheetah just caught dinner, but uh-oh, here comes the laughing hyena. Even though cheetahs are super fast, hyenas hunt in groups. Sometimes it's smarter to run away and hunt another day. The mighty lion thought it found an easy meal, but this buffalo called its friends. When the whole herd charges together, even the king of the jungle learns that teamwork makes the dream work. Nature is amazing, and wild animals are incredible. Remember, kids, be wild, be wise, be kind to nature.